and rum.
Ooh yeah. Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, and I hope you like it.
Hello folks, welcome to another Taste Buds episode. Today we are making soup. Yes, Saturday evening soup. I have some ingredients here before I even tell you what kind of soup we're making. I have some garlic, I have some pumpkin, scallions, I have chayote squash, or Jamaicans call it chocho. I have some carrots, I have a piece of yellow yam, and the wife had just gave me a little piece of cocoa. Yeah, Jamaicans call it cocoa. And guys, we are making soup. Let me just chop up my ingredients real quick and then we are gonna get on into it. Today I am making a pepper pot soup, guys. Yes, pepper pot soup. And I have a little bit of smoked turkey neck that I had saved from my last soup endeavor, and I'm gonna use this as flavor. It's not gonna be that type of soup with a whole lot of meat, a whole lot of different stuff. We're just using the turkey as flavor. I'm gonna add some garlic to the water as I boil my turkey. Now the turkey is already cooked, so we don't have to boil that long. I'm gonna cut up some more aromatics. I have some ginger here, and I'm gonna add the ginger to the pot as well. Now, most people don't cook soup with ginger. Well, I don't know, but I'm putting ginger. Guys, we are making spinners. The wife just got some flour and a little water and a little salt, and we just make some spinners real quick, and we're just gonna drop them in the pot. And this is why they're called spinners, guys, because it's like a rolled dough. Yeah, and we make sure so the size right. Drop them in the pot. Guys, this is a quick composite soup. It's not gonna be a long-winded one. As soon as we get to a point, we just keep adding ingredients until the soup is done. Alright, so the next thing I want to do now while my dumpling and my turkey neck is boiling is to cut up my cocoa and my yellow yam and make sure that I dice them up nicely, and we're gonna add them to the pot. Guys, let me tell you how you make soup real nice. Just keep adding as you just allow 10 minutes to elapse, and then you add the next step of ingredients. And as you keep doing it that way, you will attract the flavor to each component at the particular given time. So we add our yellow yam and our cocoa, and now we're gonna add some callaloo, and also I have kale, guys. Yes, I'm adding kale to my pepper pot. It is all about turning your hand to make fashion. We have some callaloo here that we are already washed and cut up, and we're gonna add it. I have some coconut milk and some cock soup. Yes, Grace cock soup that we're gonna add. Don't come for me, guys. Don't come for me. If you use another type of soup, don't come for me. So we're gonna add our vegetables now, our pumpkin, our chayote squash, and our carrots. And look at this, guys. Look at our soup. Now I'm gonna add the coconut milk. We use the coconut powder and we just rehydrate it by adding some warm water, mixing it out, and we're adding it to our pot. Yes, and the thicker you make it, the more concentrated it is the better for you. You can add your fresh coconut if you have it, or you can add your canned coconut if you have it. But look at this, guys. Our soup is bubbling. Soup is bubbling. I have some pimento seeds or allspice berry that I'm gonna add at this time. And guys, we're gonna start cutting up our seasonings. I'm cutting up my scallions, I'm breaking up my thyme, and I am getting ready to go. I have a couple more pieces of garlic that I'm also gonna be adding, and I'm just rough chopping it and then crushing them for flavor. All right, I can't wait for this soup. Trust me, cannot wait for this soup. And guys, I have my Scotch bonnet pepper here that I'm gonna add one single Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm not gonna cut it, I'm just gonna add it whole. And I usually keep my Scotch bonnet in the freezer, guys, because that's where the it lasts longer. Yes, Yes, I was gonna say the flavor, but it lasts longer. Alright, so you want to add your aromatics to the pot, and then I'm just gonna rough chop my kale after about 10 minutes. As I said, 10-minute intervals. I'm gonna we're building on the flavors for 10-minute intervals. So now I'm gonna add my kale after rough chopping it and taking out the stems. I have my pepper here. I need to take this pepper out because if the pepper lost and burst, me sorry for the wifey. Me can eat it, but me sorry for she, trust me. So let me take my pepper out, just cut it over there, so. And now I'm gonna add my callaloo. So we have kale and callaloo in our pepper pot soup. Whoa. And guys, you want to turn your stove down at this time. You don't want your stove to burn. You know, you want your stuff to burn, and see how quickly the stuff wilt down. So now you're gonna add your chicken noodle soup or your bouillon base, and then you are good to go. Yes, man, the soup is looking nice now. May I tell you, look, man, soup look good here. Yo, who wants some? Who wants some? And guys, guess what? I totally forgot that I have okra in the freezer, guys, because what I do is I wash and clean my okra. So I'm gonna make sure that I add my okra at this stage to the pot. Yes. The wife is just touching it up with a little bit more garlic powder just to make everything right. And we're putting in some oregano in it just to make everything right. And I'm just taking out these okra now, rinse them off, and then I'm gonna add them to the pot. Watch you know, okra to the pot, soup ready. So there you have it, guys, our impromptu pepper pot soup with some turkey neck and you know, all the vegetables and stuff you can find simmered down in some nice coconut milk. How it looks, see?
Divine. And don't worry, the dumpling is under there somewhere. And I cannot wait to get in.
And the okra then just a simmer on top. Now some people cut up for them okra in it. I like when my okra is just nice and, you know, whole.
Yeah, because then it controls the sliminess of the soup, which,
right,
you know, we prefer not to have. So it's up to you though.
But it look good, it look nice. How better way to really make a Saturday evening come together than a nice hearty bowl of soup. Eh? And again, we also added kale to our pepper pot soup. So it's not just callaloo, it's callaloo and kale. Hallelujah.
Yes.
Hot callaloo burns dog. It's such a nice soup, guys. I'm gonna taste a little bit of it and I tell you, why my head hurt me. All part of my body are hurting me. I can't wait to get into this one. How's about it, guys? Remember, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend that Yardie Belly Kitchen, Yardie Belly TV is doing something great. We're making pepper pot soup. Why? Who wants some? Who wants some of this? Beautiful bowl of soup. See, you know, I'm not more to say, just have your spoons and just a wait time.
Yes.
Sure. Let me do my video now.
I'm speechless.
And guys, remember, live and laugh, cook and eat. See you again. And guess what? We upload every Monday, every Thursday, and every Saturday. Alright? Every Monday, every Thursday, and every Saturday. So remember, guys, stick and stay. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and all these things. Yardie Belly TV. pepper pot soup. Me say pepper pot soup. Lord of God, me say pepper pot soup. Pepper pot soup. Me say pepper pot soup. Lord of God, me say pepper pot soup. The soup it's so nice and it boil down. The curry in the pot and it nice and no curry in there. Let's see.